RUNWAYML is not new in the sector of generative AI. They offer a colossal toolkit around AI picture and video tools. Their picture-to-picture or video-to-video AI tools are well known and famous. And if you don't have seen the groundbreaking picture extension tool, you should definitely check it out. As you can see, it's astonishing. Now let's directly head to GEN-2. Click Sign Up for free. Then create an account with Google or whatever you like. It's super easy. In the main menu, you click on one of the GEN-2 buttons to start the editor. You insert your idea of a video scene as a prompt for GEN-2. You get a feeling for that with time. Then, watch as GEN-2 magically transforms your idea into a dynamic video scene. We made some examples to show you how it works. Okay, let's have a try. We want to see a flower in the middle of a storm. I fast forward for you. Okay, looks nice. This is a flower, and we see some rainwater and movement through the wind. I'm honest. I expected something different, but it's somehow correct and looks very good. What do you think? Leave us a comment. Now I show you something funny. We prompt a cat jumping into the sea. The result is hilarious. As we can see, generative AI has still problems with the correct animation of movement. There is a cat, a jump in the sea. It's just not fitting. But there are already many cases in which you get really cool results. Like in this ad for flowers. It's not perfect, but the prompt was too simple, anyway. Even if you feed less meaningful prompts into GEN-2, you might get reasonable results. But as it's limited to 4-second scenes, yet, the use cases for this AI are still limited, anyway. You can also animate pictures to small clips. We've put in one of our YouTube thumbnails and got a dark science fiction movie scene back. It looks really cool and inspiring, but is nothing we can work with. Now let's draw a conclusion. For us, GEN-2 is both at the same time a winner and a loser. You'd get at the moment maybe really cool 4-second clips out of it. But it's still too limited for a serious video production. But after the rapid development of the last few months, you can be sure there is more to come. It's only a matter of time until you get longer and better scenes from it. Until it's there, we suggest you watch our videos about other forms of AI video generators, Fleeky AI, Steve AI, and InVideo are AI-assisted video generators. They pick suitable stock videos and pictures to narrate your story. This is already working great.